It's Mona's birthday in 15 minutes and she's turning 18. Ice cream! My favorite picture. Whoa! Here's the birthday girl!
Yes!
Today, Shorty, it's your birthday. I'm gonna party like it's my birthday.
Can't believe she's turning 18.
Everyone's saying that. I think
No, I just saw your childhood pictures, so that's what I'm saying. I just feel like we were just born,
Yeah,
few
I know.
years ago.
From your point of view.
Yeah, that's
Happy birthday! Think they call this love. I don't know. No, I put it in my mouth.
all sweet for the sweet girl.
Mohana is gonna get her gift a few days later. She's very particular about gifts, okay? I mean, she had a particular choice. I was planning a surprise, so I'm not sure what she likes. So she chose what she wants and it's on the way, so...
Yes.
Yay.
My girl, my girl, my girl.
Amma also listens to Mohana's songs. Like,
Yeah,
whatever song
we
Mohana
all
listens to.
yeah, we all just same playlist.
Hi guys,
Good
it's
morning.
wait. Hi guys, it's the next day and Buddy Girl is here. Our house help. She got us gulab jamun that her daughter-in-law made for us. That is so cute of her.
We're getting ready to go out. And ignore this background, please.
It's 1 p.m. right now and we are heading out. So we planned a cute Indiranagar walk because Indiranagar is fun. There are many places to visit. So we're probably gonna cafe hop. We're not gonna overeat in one restaurant. That's what we thought for now. So I asked Mohana what she's craving for. She said pizzas. So we might go to the pizza bakery, or there's one more new Italian place. So we might go there as well.
We got a second gift. Perfect time.
This was supposed to come on your birthday. I mean, I ordered it kind of late, so it came today.
Thank you.
It's what she selected. ఏంటది? Any guess?
రూపాయి కాళ్ళు దింపేయటం.
Why again?
Why again? She can stop.
Why would you do that?
Ayo!
సరే గిఫ్ట్ సంతోష్ తీసేసుకోవడం ఎవరంటే నీకు మ్యామ్
I'm just guilty. I'm not able to give her anything.
No,
You have ordered, right?
Well, you're like you do so much for me.
You're running out of words.
Wow, that's very nice. We've been planning to go out all together since so long.
Hi guys. Table is booked
At Pizza Bakery, and we are going to today.
I think it's the best gift for her.
Mohana used to be obsessed with those.
Yeah.
Every time.
Outside things
Road,
like
yeah.
this.
All these, you know those helium heart balloons? I used to be obsessed with those.
Actually, buy also.
Yeah, I would make them buy that.
And to hold them inside our car, it was such a difficult task.
Yeah, because I used to not hold it. I would ask them to hold
And
it.
she would give it to us and it would, be so disturbing for us. She was obsessed with Barbie dolls. She would dress them so well. She would give Barbie doll a haircut.
I remember she used to stitch the same kind of tops that Mohana had for the Barbies.
I think it's 5th or 6th, right?
Yeah.
I think you should put the clipping if you find her.
Yeah. We are eating very Indian dad.
How did you not notice it?
I
She got this clip.
I thought this was in black color. We had the same in black.
Yeah,
So I just felt it and I put it on.
Watching, we don't see this color.
No.
Wow.
It's a bright sunny day. The jacket Mona is wearing, that is the main character. Well, I'm gonna show you Mohana's cutest pictures.
Oh my god.
You guys are not ready. So cute. Oh my god.
Oh my god, bro. I can't like believe I used to be like that. Like
Oh, my favorite picture. I just want to get her back. Ah. Which birthday was this?
This is third birthday.
Third birthday.
guys, apparently we had more pictures and videos of Harshita when she was younger, but then
The main culprit here.
it's apparently I deleted it all
Yeah, when
on
she
our
was
camera when I was
younger, when she was
younger.
like 1 or 2 years, she accidentally touched some button and she deleted all my childhood pictures. Reached the pizza bakery. It's all so pretty here. Oh my god, the song. Christmas songs are playing, guys.
all Christmas vibes.
So we called for a pizza, garlic bread, stuffed garlic bread, and corn ribs. And then we'll go to another place and explore.
Just natural this side. I low-key want to take one natural. I like it.
Jesse get big
I don't think that.
Yeah. So basically chili oil and that chili oil antaru.
How can we do that?
అలాగే అన్నారు.
Yes.
Where are we heading next?
Just stroll for now. And if we like anything, then we're gonna go there. So once
She wants coffee. She wants her daily coffee.
Yeah, she wants a good cup of coffee. There is a cafe here, so we could.
This
probably-
one. Looks
I
good.
wanna go here though.
We are planning to go there.
This kind.
The kind?
That's the place's name.
Oh,
Doesn't mean like one of a kind.
probably.
Or no, it means actually the kind. Like we're very kind. I think that's.
The whole building has so many cafes.
Oh, they just moved there.
Where do you want to go next? Like, what do you want to eat? Ice cream?
Nice.
Kind.
The Oh my god.
She changed it. She changed it to the synonym. Okay, why can't we go to the nice? The kind.
Nana, do you want ice cream?
Go ahead. You scream?
This is your day, birthday, baby. You have to demand food. Go wherever you want to.
You scream? Ice cream? We all scream? Ice cream!
Ice cream.
Toppings ಏನು ಇಲ್ವಾ? Toppings ಇಲ್ಲ. What's next?
We plan for a coffee.
We can go that by later.
Now that we had this, I don't think we'll have coffee immediately. We'll just go for a walk and burn out our calories for a while.
It's a little cloudy. What if it rains? You know, we were on the verge of carrying our umbrellas today, but we didn't. But since we are strolling, we should have thought better. So what are we doing, Monu?
We have entered the street to judge houses.
So there are a few beautiful houses here. We are here to just check those out.
See those balconies, they're so cute.
That house over there, the right one, it has so much character. And this one is also so pretty.
Hi! Bro, there's so many salons. You know, I was telling,
Just get a
I was
bob
telling-
cut.
Guys, there are so many salons here, and I'm getting an itch. I'm getting this itch to get a haircut so bad. And I told my mom also about it, and she was just like, yeah, I think you should do that. But it's me who's confused. I mean, that'll be such a nice decision, like such an impulsive decision to go walk in into a random salon and just get a haircut today.
Come to Miniso. You want a cab?
Yeah, I do, but I want like a black one.
Miniso never disappoints.
There is this store in Church Street, which is a very cute, somewhat like Miniso.
Actually, inside video is not allowed.
So we bought a few things from Miniso.
It's my birthday today, so everyone's gonna be so sweet to me. I'm gonna take advantage of that.
It's time for some chart. Are you guys having fun? So we are done with like 4 spots already, 4 to 5.
We always follow this thing of basically eating and then burning the calories by walking and then going to another spot to eat and then walking and walking.
Today is your birthday and my favorite god has appeared and I feel it's so blessing. Come.
What a coincidence. This is
What a video in Daska.
it tastes exactly like ice cream, but creamier. This frozen yogurt, swirl.
We don't usually like blueberry fruity flavors, but this
This is nice. This street is very much filled with cafes.
yeah, it's such a good street, guys.
Basically, we have like a confusion, a small confusion. Either we have to choose aesthetic or food. Moana wants pictures, so she wants aesthetic.
Food vlog for today, right?
Yeah, it's a food vlog.
Moana's birthday vlog is gonna be like a
Food vlog.
what the hell? Our mom, she we were literally here, okay? Yeah, we were literally here for like so long and we did not notice it, and she noticed this photo booth here. I've been wanting, like especially I've been wanting to do this photo booth thing since so long, and I hope this works.
Get a nice picture
On my birthday.
Color kavala, black and white kavala.
Both are cute.
We are in this mini photo booth. I'm not sure if 4 of us will fit in.
Okay, you can see. It's okay. Come. Come, 3, 2. Okay.
Oh, these are the prints.
Oh my god.
Cute. It's so cute. Oh.
Italian restaurant, right? So this concept is used to old days also. People they used to hang their clothes outside the windows. Just bring little concept over here.
This is one of the best restaurants we've ever been to.
It's a beautiful restaurant, guys.
Mona had her first breakdown on her birthday. Yeah, I cried today. She's going
You're spending more. It's your special day, Mona. Don't even think of that.
I think we are very good children. We love the interiors and the exteriors as well.
Mona is still crying and she's
Oh,
taking the videos. She's shooting the interiors.
you look prettier. See her eyes. Your nose is all red. Are you in Italy?
I am actually.
So we ordered bruschetta, and our dad, he didn't like the taste over here. He can make this at home as well because
Basically us.
our Indian dad is asking why are all the snacks on top. ఏం అడుగుతున్నావు? Guys, Mona just got her gift. Finally got her order.
Wait, I finally received it, guys.
Wow. We were shooting a shot. Amma! We were actually in between a shoot, that's why Mohana looks dressed up.
Whoa! Look at that, a note.
Added a secret note
My god.
for her.
So cute. Happy birthday, baby girl. We love you so much. And also, you're 18. What? Stop growing so quick. Hope you have a happier ahead. This is actually so exciting. I'm not even kidding. I should curl my hair anyway now.
Yes.
That was so fake. I want to wait. I want to wait. I'm trying now. It smells so good.
You're shining. It's really nice.
I like the shine on the cheek.